CQ, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, USA, State of Tennessee, calling CQDX. CQ, 3 Sugar Delta 144, 3 Sugar Delta 144. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, State of Tennessee, USA, calling CQ. Three Sugar Delta 144 Brazil, do you copy? 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, State of Tennessee, USA, CQ. Hey, QSL, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. We're located in the state of Tennessee, USA. QSL?
Yeah, QSL, my friend, nice to meet you. Now I copy 100% your violation, right? 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. From USA, this is a 3 to the Delta 144, Rafa, like the Romeo Alpha, Foxtrot Alpha. Rafa is my first name, I say here. At 3:00 p.m. about the capital S review, Brasilia. Right, my friend, the microphone back to you again.
Hey, QSL, we're very good making the contact down into Brazil. Very good signal up here in the USA here this morning. Very good signal. Radio sounding good. Don't know what you're talking on, but you're making a real good trip up here. I'm working a Antron 99 about 25, 30 feet in the air, talking on a vintage President Jackson radio, and with an alternative super sidekick, and just glad to know I'm making a trip to the country of Brazil, South America there. QSL, back to you. I did not hear that last transmission. You got operator Ken, Kilo Echo November. Ken, bring back your last transmission there, QSL.
Your signal for you now in Brazil is 1/3 and 3/5. The propagation is up and down to me. But in this moment, I'm not good antenna, okay? A simple antenna for 11 meters. I can't good condition of reception on my radio. Your modulation. Just for your information now, I use the 10 weeks, okay? 10 weeks to 2,000. And my power is 100 to weeks in this moment, 100 to 10 weeks, it's my power, right team. Just for your information, my city name is Catalão, right? Catalão, Charlie, Alpha, Tango, Alpha, Lima, Alpha, Oscar. Catalão is my city name, and my state is Goiás, okay? TM about the capital of Brazil, Brasilia, right, Mr. Kim? Please give me what's the conditioning, what antenna do you use on the transceiver? Your cell team 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, 3 Sugar Delta 144 Alpha here in Brazil, listening over.
Hey, QSL, Ralph, QSL 100%. Conditions really jumped up that time. Got a signal of 3 by 5 at one point there. It's running between a 1 and a 3 to a 2 and a 4 to a 3 and a 5, so you're doing an excellent job there in the state of Tennessee. I'm working at Antron 99. I have an Antron 99 about 25 feet in the air. Talking on the President Jackson radio, one of the export radios. Probably putting out about 150 whiskeys at the moment. We're located about 20 miles north of the city of Nashville, the music city of Nashville, Tennessee, close to the Kentucky-Tennessee border there, Ralph. Ken, back to you, sir. Hey, QSL 3 Sugar Delta 144, Ralph. This is 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. I didn't catch a lot of the last transmission there. I don't know if the conditions are changing there. Bring back your last transmission. You was asking me something, I think, about my state. I'm located in the state of Tennessee. That's Tango, Echo, November, November, Echo, Sierra, Sierra, Echo, Echo, the state of Tennessee. I think that's what you was asking me. I'm not sure. Ralph, bring back your last transmission. You was asking me something. Back to you, sir.